Hello everybody, I am Dr. Vinayak Mhatre, President of National Integrated Medical Association, that is NIMA, Navi Mumbai. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Prabhakaranji and his team for holding such a good program as Arogyam Dhana Sampada. This is their 7th consecutive year, and this is the platform where the doctors not only are awarded as per their merits, but also they get the chance to share their views. So friends, everybody knows we are in the corona pandemic now, and Navi Mumbai is no exception. Day by day, the number of cases are increasing by leaps and bounds. All the attempts taken by government, semi-government agencies, NGOs, private practitioners, consultants, hospitals, they are actually not seem to be enough to control this ever-growing rate of corona cases. Under this pretext, we cannot say that this is the failure of the government alone, because in my opinion, the public at large is also responsible for this, because the sensible approach from public is completely lacking as far as using the masks in proper way is concerned, and secondly, the social distancing is practically absent in major parts of our city, and this is, in my opinion, is the main reason of not getting proper control in corona in spite of spending almost 4 months of period in India. Now, as this is a pandemic, the whole area is affected very badly as far as Navi Mumbai is concerned. All the factors, all the people, the medicos, the non-medicos who are working for control of this disease, they need to have a cooperative approach. They need to work hand in hand with harmony and total respect towards each other, which we are lacking somewhere, in my opinion. We were very much dependent upon the local administrators, health officials. In the initial period, we had requested them to provide us the essential kits like PPE kit, gloves, masks, sanitizers, not free of charge, but on reasonable basis through their agencies. But there was an extremely poor response. As a result, the Doctors Association have to work very hard to get all these essential materials at reasonable rates from various agencies, and this has really taken some time. This was the time where many of the doctors, they have avoided to attend their clinics. But this phenomenon can be termed as natural, because unless and until the doctors have got the protective cover, how they can work in their clinic? Just like the soldier without guns is of no use on the border, likewise, the doctors should have been provided these essential things in time. They would have returned to their clinics from the day one, but that was not to be. And this lapse has perhaps forced the local administration to issue the warning notices to the doctors. They have not taken into consideration the basic reason of absence in the clinics of majority of the doctors, and repeatedly the doctors are receiving such kind of a threatening or warning notices under various acts, alarming them to have a legal action against them if they are not in their clinics. But these are nowadays a needless thing, because almost more than 90% of the doctors, especially the family physicians, the general practitioners, they have already returned to their clinics. They understand their social obligation, the duty, the moral duties, and the national duty very well. There is no need that somebody else should come there and teach them. what is their national duty. In fact, the local administration should have taken into confidence all the doctors. There should have been a gentle approach with gentle appeal in the first instances, asking all the doctors to work hand in hand with the local administration. But that was not to be. The administration has really taken a long distance to get united with the general practitioners or even the consultants. Let us forget what has happened in the past should not, and we expect that these things should not be repeated. Secondly, what is the most essential need nowadays as far as doctors are concerned is the insurance cover. We have seen in many interviews of these few ministers that they have assured that a cover of 50 lakh rupees as the insurance cover will be provided to the person, to the doctor who will be the victim of coronavirus. If such kind of a protection is given officially to the doctors, they will have a sigh of relief because they will be more confident while working in their clinics that there is, yes, the government is there with them to look after the needs of their families in their absence. And this is a humble request to the government agencies, the state government, that such kind of insurance cover should be provided to the doctors without getting any delay. We have heard also that the MSCB people, the people working in the electrical department, they have been offered or assured insurance coverage of 30 lakhs by the state government. If it is so, then why the government is so much hesitant in declaring such kind of a insurance cover to the front warriors who are taking all the toil of corona in their day-to-day practice and serving the humanity. So once again, I would like to appeal the state government that insurance cover of rupees 50 lakhs should be provided to each and every corona warrior who will become a victim of this pandemic. Thank you.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।